Gary, it's great to have you here this morning. Tell us first of all the context of your ministry, what sort of church and where you're ministering.
Okay, I'm in Tongwynlais, which is north of Cardiff. It's a little village cut off from the rest of the world by the M4 and the A470, and it's still got that village feel, so it's quite a community really.
Excellent. Now, we'll be very interested to hear what sort of things you're doing at the moment, targeting at reaching those who are not yet Christians. What are you doing to reach out to those who are unchurched or unsaved or not yet Christians?
Okay, I think Christmas Heaven started a church in the pub, and we continue to grow it in the pub, aren't we, Mike? So I do quiz nights with guys and different things like that. Just last Tuesday night we had a curry night. We had 26 guys come along. It was just a men's one this time. So we had a bottle of wine in the church, and don't say it too loud, sorry. And okay. So we're just kind of real in the community, really. I've made lots of friends, and I encourage everyone within the fellowship to kind of make friends outside of the church. I play football on the Monday nights with a lot of guys who are not from the church. I do lots of stuff that's not church, really.
Yeah. That's great. And through the course of today, there'll be chances for interaction, discussion, and learning from each other in terms of what is working at the moment for reaching out to those who are not yet Christians. We'd love to hear from you, Gary, some examples of people who have come to faith in recent days or months in the church.
We've one particular family at the moment. We've got toddler groups. We've got lots of different things happening within the church. One of the girls, a lady, became a Christian about 3 years ago. From the toddler group, she came to an alpha course and came through for the Lord and was going on really well. Her husband's become a friend. We were mountain biking together and doing other things because he didn't like football, so I had to take a mountain biking. We ran a Christianity Explored course, and he came along, and he's just one of these guys who's just got lots of friends. So he brought a few of his friends along, and 3 guys became Christians through that, and his family is now kind of, going on with the Lord, and these guys are leaders for the future as well. So they're going on really well. His 2 friends became Christians as well, and it was all in the same weekend. And this kind of that's the word, repercussions that happen with that as well. Little ripples that go out as well. So we got new friends come in, and that's one little story.
Gary, thank you very much. Please pray for Gary, pray for the work in the church, pray that many, many more would come to faith as well. Gary, thank you very much indeed. We appreciate you taking the whole. Brilliant.